What up, what up? We got something cool to show you today. We took a trip down to San Miguel de Allende in Mexico, in Guanajuato. This team right here, Algacell, invited us down. They do a lot of organic farming down there. In these greenhouses here, this is romaine lettuce that is organically grown and it's shipped to New York City. And so we'll take you around the town and show you a little bit about the history. This town is freaking amazingly historic with a lot of culture and history. We go through some organic farming fields. That's kind of the interest we have on our farm, is going that path. And so we went down and checked out how they do it down there. And so we'll kind of show you what's going on.
Ayuda que aquí en el tiempo de riego, con una vez que riego me voy hasta 15, hasta 25 días más sin agua.
Hold up, that's my man Jerónimo from Agrícola El Sagrado, and then we got Jorge from Algacell.
Por eso pueden regar.
All right, so here we got Algacell training us on how to go organic. These are broccoli fields, all organic. It's a few different brothers that are running the farms. That's Jerónimo, who is the owner there, but they've had great results in organic, and it looks freaking beautiful, baby. So here they're explaining to us how they advance their microbiology in the soil. They use drip irrigation, go through that filtration system, and they're explaining how to improve the biology of soil to make a better organic plant. Right now we're rolling into Greenlanders Farms. It's owned by Carlos Landeros, and it's another organic farm. We see some celery there. They're showing us some flowers there they put on the sides of the field to bring in any insects there instead of going into the crop, so it kind of distracts them. So this is Guadalupe. She's freaking awesome. And so she's an agronomist, but she runs the whole farm with another girl there. That was cool to see. She explained the ins and outs of growing organically, all the science behind it, and she's running the whole freaking show. And so that's some celery there that they're shipping out to Texas. Looks beautiful. Look at Jorge there with a beautiful smile. But it was a cool experience to see her and the knowledge she has running this farm. All right, there's Guadalupe showing us some carrot fields. Now, growing organic is not easy. If it was, everybody would be doing it because it is great for our health. And so she's showing us the best ways to repel pests, better the soils. Now, my man James here from Carcelia, New Mexico is the one that got me interested in this subject, so we went down together to figure it out. Now there, Algacell has a biodigester. That's what they call this tank that makes a tea. And what the purpose of this tea is they put some microbiology in there, add compressed air, and it multiplies things like trichoderms or fungi, and to go into the soil and to better the soil and go against anything that's harmful microbiology. Hold up, there's baby Mama Lou looking the field look great. So thank you, Algacell, for inviting us down and showing us this area in organic farming. Thanks, guys. Freaking awesome. This is the team, baby.